Hello and welcome back to this video playlist. Today we're setting up Centrify multi-factor authentication on Unix Linux systems joined to Active Directory using Centrify Express. In this video, we're going to focus on the tasks that we need to do on the Centrify identity service side to enable this. And it's basically three tasks. We need to um, enable a cloud connector and authorize it. We need to set up a role that allows the machines to provide, in this case, server authentication. And then we need to also set up an authentication profile. In this video, we'll set up the cloud connector. So typically when you set up an identity service tenant, you're welcome to the screen right here. You can walk through it. It's very simple, but I'm going to go ahead and skip it. My task is going to be to set up a cloud connector. And to keep things simple, I'm just going to go ahead and go to network, plus add cloud connector, and I'm going to do 64-bit. I can save the file, right? The file is going to be downloaded. And if I go into my downloads folder, I'm going to have the file that I can extract. So the key here is that cloud connectors run on a 64-bit Windows system, right? And you need local administrator rights to install it. The first thing it does, it installs the bits, and then it will actually, you have to register the cloud connector. For that, you need basically an authorized AD user plus an authorized cloud tenant user. So I'm going to go ahead and run this setup. This is just a basic wizard, and I'm going to just run through the wizard slowly so you can see. In here, I'm just going to press next and then accept the EULA. And then basically, when you look at the setup, you have several components. One is the cloud connector itself, and the other one is some extensions to ADOC and group policies for you to be able to do enterprise mobility management using group policy. The key component here is the cloud connector itself. So that means that you can just disable this feature, right? Especially if the machine doesn't have a ADOC or GPOE. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do next, and this is going to install the wizard for me, right? And once the wizard is installed, all I need to do is authorize the cloud connector.